Take up some space. You're too far away.
Oh my gosh, I just wiped y'all off with alcohol. But hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday. If you're new here, I am the natural guru. I do all types of things, but mainly natural hair content. So if you're here, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, hey girl, it's your girl, the natural guru here, back in another video. So we have a few things we need to do today. We need to go to the I always forget the name of this farmers market. I am so sorry, y'all. That is just so ghetto. We going to the stoves. That's all you know. And I'll take y'all with me. Do you want, how many do you want? Huh?
It's up. I don't know how many you think I should get.
You want two of these on one? Two of these on one.
How many you already put in there?
One.
I think I only need one, right?
I don't know how to pick up no honeydew lemon melon. I want a big one. Hey y'all, so let me fix y'all up. I just almost choked on a Happy Meal apple. We stopped by McDonald's and I got a Happy Meal. And Dorian started choking on a piece of fry, and then I started to choke on the apple. And let's just say we had to pull over because I thought it was it was crazy.
That is just right.
So we at a Walmart about to get a few things. We just got back from the farmers market, as y'all seen. And y'all, my voice still ain't together. It really ain't. It's so bad. I'm so sorry. Whew. Almost pain. But yeah. They got oxtail. That's a lot of fat on that thing. I'm gonna get me a small thing of beef because I do want to make some meatballs. Ooh. They got gluten-free brown gravy. But if you like, if you're dairy-free like me basically, these are so good. But I use regular noodles. I use the cheese pack out of here and I use regular noodles. Ooh. Plant-based noodles. That's cool. That's cool.
Right. I think they're
Gravy.
right. What's your name?
Gravy. Some gravy. I feel like we got beef broth, cracked pepper. Yeah, we gotta go to season out. And I think the last thing I need. So good, y'all. Those are so good. Cooked dinners and cracked pepper for me. And that's the last thing for food that we need. Oh, y'all. I'm still trying to recover. I hope this is not blurry. I'm still trying to recover. It's my favorite one. This is so good, y'all. This is good too. I'm gonna stick. That's not bad either. I'm gonna stick to my girl. That is good. That strawberry lemonade from here is good. I think I want to try that one. That one looks good too. Found the whipped cream. What? Huh? Back up on my curl milk and my leave-in. Love this stuff. This is shave oil by Tree Hut. That's shave. Two jackets. I've never tried her brand yet. Tia Moore. But yeah. I have this. Yeah. Like, never a not detangling shampoo. They got all types of stuff up there for that. Me finding this in Walmart because they never have it in Target.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. My house clean.
We are at the farmer's market.
Well, I think that Jeep may be a little bit further up than they need.
It probably is. We at the farmer's market, y'all.
Ain't no farmer's market.
You know why I said that, because that's a farmer's market right there. We at the GoodWill, y'all. Because I think last month I had brought a dresser, could not fit it in Dorian's car, so I had to take it back. And GoodWill does not do refunds. They only do, what's it called? You put on a gift card. So that's where we're at right now.
Is this when you furniture like that?
I don't know. See, this ain't the one I was trying to go to.
No, that's back there.
But we can still go
we
look.
to the one that you wanted to go to.
I don't really see nothing in here that I want. So we probably gonna go to the one by the house. You're so cute. They fit around my ankle. I need the support on my
Ankle.
yeah.
Poop on, just say, yeah. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing, in the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. If you try not in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. Yeah, I'ma leave the door open. Oh, yeah. Got you feel the way I feel when you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through. You're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you lie. If you smoke, I got the haze. If you're hungry, girl, I got fillets. Oh, baby, don't keep me. There's so much love we could be making. Talking, kissing, cuddling. Rose petals in the bathtub, girl, let's jump in, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. If you try not in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. Yeah, I'ma leave the door open. Oh, yeah. Got you feel the way I feel when you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through. Oh, tell me that you're coming through. There's nowhere to hide it, babe. The love is calling your name, and from the dark, babe.
Happy Sunday. It is about 4:01, which is pretty late, and we're just not getting out the house. We woke up, did some cleaning, did some decorating. I filmed a little bit of it, and then I prepped my turkey meat that I want to make for my turkey meatballs. So when I get back in the house, it'll be all marinated and stuff. So right now, we're about to go get something to eat. I think we're going to eat Five Guys today. And then we are looking for a stopper for our sink. So that's something we need, because I'm not about to be washing these vegetables in all these bowls, okay? So I need that big sink that we got. I need to put that to use. Ooh, y'all, I got this bra on today. Let me see if I turn this way. It got them up there, okay? And I need to get some top coat for some top coat nail polish from TJ Maxx. And I wanted to go to New Balance to try on some shoes, because I wanted to see what type of shoes I wanted to get, because I think I'm going to buy 3 pairs of gym shoes, because I don't have any gym shoes and comfortable gym shoes, because I am a person that wears sandals throughout the year sometimes, and really in boots. So not boots throughout the year. I wear boots in the wintertime, but like I don't mind putting on, I mean, I ain't gonna put on no sandal in the wintertime, but if it's warm enough, I'm gonna put the sandal on. And so that's on the docket today. I don't think nothing else. Then we gonna come back home and cook and juice our fruits that we got yesterday. So I'm gonna take y'all along. I know it's been like a busy week, it looked like, but it hasn't. It's just been a busy couple of days. It's a busy couple of days. And then what else? This weekend we're going to Keziah's party. It's like a skating party. So I'm waiting for my outfits. I think I told y'all about to come in from Shein. So hopefully they come in before that day. I'm waiting for my nail stuff to come in before we leave on Friday. And hopefully they come in on time. So that is where I'm at with everything right now. I'm a little bit, because we've been up cleaning all day, watched church. Child, I watched church and cleaned up and took a shower, and now I got some clothes on. So that's what we're doing right now. I think I'm just tired, quite honestly. But yeah.
Nowhere to hide, baby. There's nowhere to hide.